This video explains the creation process of single-choice question type. Any question can be created both in the test creation process and through question pools. Therefore, you may navigate to the question pools in the tests. Decide whether you want to create a question for an existing question pool or create a new one, and click on this button to choose a question type, or enter the test creation wizard. Go through all test creation steps. In the fourth step, choose the Pick Questions from Pools or Create Them on the Spot method. Then click on the Add New Question button. Single-choice questions offer multiple possible answers, which only can be selected by the test taker. They are the most appropriate choice when there is only one correct answer to a question you create. There are 3 scoring methods for this question type. First, you can define correct and incorrect answers, of which only one must be correct, and only one selected by the candidate, as the name of this question type indicates. Then you can define the weight for each answer, meaning each answer carries a different number of points. For example, let's say that the correct answer carries 2 points, while the incorrect one carries -1. If you choose the manual grading option, the test manager or instructor should grade each question manually after finishing the test. Here you choose the question difficulty level. A question can be labeled as easy, medium, or hard. This labeling is helpful because it helps prepare created questions for later generating options. Add translation. Create versions of this question in different languages. Click on Add Translation, choose a language from the drop-down list, and type the question text and answers in the selected language. A hint is a small piece of information that helps the test taker answer the question. You can enable it and define whether it will carry negative points. Lastly, you can add the question you have just created for this test to some existing question pool and save it for later usage. You can enable a test generator if you have chosen the other scoring method, defining correct and incorrect answers. This refers to the number of possible answers displayed in the test. This scoring method enables additional assistance. A candidate could eliminate one wrong answer. If you select the option to limit the time or question in the second step of the test wizard, in the question creation process of single-choice questions, you'll have the possibility to define the time limit in seconds, minutes, and hours. Moreover, you can also add another assistance called additional time. It enables candidates to use the additional time to answer a question. In the settings for the test as a whole, you have several more possibilities that affect single-choice question settings. For example, you can require answering all questions. Select the Enable I Don't Know the Answer option, so candidates can avoid negative points, and enable answer feedback that is displayed to a user in a pop-up window after he answers each question. If this option is enabled, you will see this option under each question added during the creation process. Let's now log in as a student to present the candidate's perspective of single-choice questions and their configurations in the test. Up here, there is a countdown timer for this question, and down here there are assistance options and penalty points they carry. Single-choice questions are a common type of test question and can provide quick insights into a person's understanding of a particular topic. They are easy to administer and grade, making them a popular choice for assessments in various settings.